Hi, welcome to the new video. Today's topic is compilers and interpreters. So here today we are discussing about compilers. Before discussing about compiler and interpreters, I just want to remind the discussion on the last Google Meet class. I told you that we are by studying the programming language, we are going to interact with the machines with the help of intermediate. That intermediates are compilers or interpreters. What we are going to do is we are going to communicate with the compilers, and the compilers then again convert the communication to the machine language, and then machine language will interact with the machines. So that is a role of compilers and interpreters. So we are in depth. We are going to discuss what is a compiler in depth. Okay, compilers is a translator which takes input, that is high level language, and produce an output of low level language, that is machine or assembly language. Very simple. It is just a translator to convert from high level language to a low level language. Advantages of compiler is more intelligent. What's the meaning of that? It checks all kind of limits, ranges, errors, etc. because it's all resource dependent. If the computer's capacity is, we have 64-bit computers, 32-bit computers, based on that range of memory usage. For integer it is 32-bit, for 32-bit it is 2 byte. The size of the integer for 32-bit is 2 byte, and the size of the integer for 64-bit is 4 byte. So likewise, such kind of differences are there based on the machine. So compiler is more intelligent, and it will check all kind of limits and ranges, errors, etc. based on the machines. Okay. The disadvantage is it runtime is more and occupies a large part of memory. The reason for this disadvantage that we will discuss in the next slides. It has slow speed because the compiler goes through the entire program and then translate the entire program to machine language. So normally two types of translators are there. One is compiler and interpreter. This compiler job is to convert the entire source code or the entire program first to confirm that it's error free, and then only it will be converted to the machine language. So here it takes time because it calculates the entire program, or it analyzes the entire program, verify whether the errors are there. So it takes time, and also it takes memory because it calculates it checks the entire programs. Okay, so that is a disadvantage of compiler. But an interpreter is a program that translates the programming language into a comprehensible language. The same thing, it also converts the high level language to the low level language. Translates only one statement of a program at a time. That means line by line execution. It takes one statement, verify error is there. If not error is there, then it will execute. So it is, but it is not smaller than compiler. The size of the program and everything is same, but it takes one line, one statement at a time to convert. Okay. So the difference between compiler and interpreter is this. Compiler scans the whole program in one go. It takes the entire program, verify the errors. If it is error free, then converts to low level language. Translates a program one statement at a time. At a time, it takes one statement. That is the difference between compiler and interpreter. The main difference. Interpreter translates the program one statement at a time. Compiler scans the code in one go. The errors are shown at the end together. So it takes the entire program. It lists out all the errors, limits, all those things, the delimits, everything is calculated and shows at a time. Consider it scans code one line at a time, errors shown line by line. So first it verifies the first line. If the error is there, it shows the errors and stops. Once we corrected the error, then it goes to the next and then verify whether the error is there in that particular line. If the error is there, then it shows the error. Likewise, the main advantage of compiler is its execution time. Its execution time is that means it takes the entire program for calculations, verifications, error free checking, everything, and it takes that execution time to compile the entire program. Interpreters being slow because it takes line by line execution. So it's slow in executing the object code, it is preferred less. So it takes time to compile because it takes one line at a time. So it takes time because errors, if the error is there, then we have to correct the error and then again run the program. So it again starts from the beginning and line by line, and if the error is there, it breaks the program. It stops the translation there and asks us to correct the. So it takes time. So because of this reason, people are not preferring interpreters. Then another difference is it converts the source code into object code. So that is a main important thing. So the object code is another that is for reusing. Okay, source code is first converted to a separate code named as object code. So the object code is there. We don't want to convert the source code again and again for future use. Once the object code is ready, then compiler directly takes that object code for future use. But in interpreters, it does not convert the source code into object code. Instead, it scans it line by line. So again, it is not it's doing the same job again and again whenever the need is there. The next difference is it does not require source code for later execution because it's converted the source code into another code, an object code. Okay, so if there is any future use, the object code is reused. But in the case of interpreters, the source code is not converted to the object code. So each and every time whenever the need comes, then it again scans for the source code, again scan the line by line statements, verify whether the error is there. So it takes time. But the examples of compilers are C, C++, C#, etc. Interpreters are Python, Ruby, Perl, Snowball, MATLAB, etc. These are all this is the main difference between compilers and interpreters. Okay, thank you.